What is up, guys? Big boy 420 here. Hashtag big boy gang in the comments of the down below. Now, today we'll be reviewing a microwave by, I don't know who made it, but it's a microwave. And yes, here you can take a look inside. We have got two knobs here that work, and also you can adjust the heat. Let's take a look inside of Zed microwave, and it is a very clean microwave. And yes, so it does do a little bit of explosion now and again, but it's still a microwave. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe in the comment. Hashtag big boy gang in the comments of the down below. Now guys, peace out guys, and I'll see you next time for another. Peace out guys, big boy 420.